Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me on a cruise ship. And yeah, I'm just gonna go through it quickly because we have to go to dinner soon. And yeah, sorry for the bad lighting. This boat has really bad lighting. Put some oil on my face because it is a little dry. And I have a few breakouts that I need to cover up. Fenty primer. For foundation today, I'm going to use the Lancome Skin Feels Good SPF 23 Hydrating Skin Tint Healthy Glow. Long name, super cute packaging. Love this stuff because it has SPF, but it's super lightweight and thin. So it's really nice. It has pretty good, just buildable coverage. I'm just going to do one side at a time. This kind of reminds me of the IT Cosmetics CC cream, but even lighter, lightweight than that, which is why I really like it. I'm going to apply some concealer to maybe cover up some spots, just the use. I'm going to go in with some setting powder and set my face. I'm just going to go in with some bronzer. This one's the Catrice. I'm going to go in my Essence Satin Touch Blush in Satin Love 20. Sweep that on my face. This is bothering me, but is fine. Lightly fill in my brows. I kind of like to keep my brows pretty natural. Mascara, I'm going to spray some Fix Plus. Oh, that felt so good. And I'm just going to tap it into the skin. Applying some champagne pop with a Morphe M510 brush. And lastly, I'm going to apply this Buxom Gloss in Amber. It's a nice nude gloss with a little bit of gold flecks in it. I got this in a set, like a little mini set my boyfriend got me for Christmas. And yeah. And that's it, guys. That is my little get ready soft glam look on a cruise ship. And it's super simple. You can wear this every day. Just a nice, fresh, clean face. Maybe if you didn't have these, it would look better. And yeah. Straightened my hair. And it came out so good. I want to mention this. I used this yesterday. This is the Wave spray. It smells so good. It's awesome. Really recommend it. It's kind of like a beach spray. So, really love that. And it's such a cute packaging. Go get dressed and then go to dinner, which I'll vlog, hopefully. And yeah, so you'll see that in my vlog. My vlog video. This is a different video that I'm posting. But anyways, hope you guys really enjoyed this little get ready with me on a boat. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!